Hi everyone, it's time for a Squishy exclusive Christmas squishy haul. Now, squishies in here, ignore the Christmas Eve box, that's just the storage. I did actually get these on Christmas Day under the tree. These are from eBay and Vinted. So let's take a look. Ooh, some good things in there it looks like. So I'm going to put it over here and then bring them out one by one. So first of all, we have a classic cat in a cup. Really squishy. Really nice that. We have a cat holding a heart. Not quite as squishy, but still squishy. That's nice. We've got yet another cat. This one's a galaxy holding an ice cream. Really nice. Now we have a cat in a scarf. Is it meant to be a Harry Potter cat? Not sure. There's no scar. Another cat. There's a bit of a theme here. That's cute. That's really squishy. Waffle cat with some blueberries. That's really nice. Maybe I could improve that with a makeover. More blueberries, more sauce. Maybe. Classic coffee cup with a lid. Interesting. Really squishy. Wow. That's really nice. Look at that. That's cute. Bumblebee. Although that's almost in stress ball territory, not quite. Still cute though. So here's some actual Christmas things. We've got a snowman. That's kind of ugly and dirty. Don't know about that. I don't like his smile. Then we have Santa, weird looking Santa. Starting to rip a bit. And a Christmas tree. That could do with a makeover. See, like my very first video for a Christmas tree that I did. It's lost the star, as you can see there. Then we have a giant cat ice cream cone. That's really quite tough to squeeze. Quite tough to squeeze, that one. I don't know if I want to do a makeover on that or not. It's very tough. I don't know why. Weird. Then we've got some classic, just normal panda buns. We've got a couple of small ones there. Another little cheap squishies. Sushi. Bread. That's cute. It's a little small. Check that out. Very cute. We could do a character holding that one, maybe. Oh, and there's another one too. Oh, and he's got a mango and an ice cream all together. Very cute. Another bun with a bite. I think that's meant to be a burger. It's the world's saddest burger. Look at that. That might just have to go in the bin. It's horrible. Oh, that's cute. Panda bread, but small. Could do something with that maybe. Make it a bit more interesting. We've got a narwhal. That's squishy. That's nice. We've got a giant reindeer. weight of him. His neck's ripped. Why is his nose so big? I don't know. We have a fish. A little mini tiger. He's cute. His head might come off though. Oh, and a big panda bun. That's the biggest panda bun. You can go over there. Piece of dirty bread. Nope. And a biscuit. I like biscuits because these are nice and fun to do makeovers on. So I will definitely keep that one. And here we are with the Christmas haul. What's my favourite? Let's see. I do like the baby s'more. I would like the bee if it wasn't so tough. Probably the waffle cat. I can see myself giving this one a makeover, maybe extra sauce, more fruit. Yeah, that's my favourite. Okay, more squishy makeovers on the way. It's bye from me, Squishy Exclusive. Bye!